Ever pondered on the making of those surgical masks that have become a staple in our lives today? Well, today is all about demystifying that process. Welcome to a journey into the world of mask making. Imagine a group of items, diverse in shape and construction, all designed to cover the face. These are face masks, and they serve myriad purposes, from fashion to biological contamination protection. Today, we're focusing on a special class of these masks, the non-woven surgical masks used in medical procedures. These masks play a pivotal role in medical procedures, acting as a barrier between the practitioner and the patient. It protects the patient from possible infections and the practitioner from accidentally ingesting any bodily fluids. Given their critical role and the need for utmost cleanliness, these masks are disposable. They are designed to be low-cost products, achieved through mass production and inexpensive raw materials. The key ingredients in the making of these masks are spun-bound polypropylene rolls, melt-blown polypropylene rolls, polyamide elastic band reels, and packaging materials. The making of a mask begins with positioning the two spun-bound polypropylene rolls and a melt-blown polypropylene roll in a non-woven surgical mask making machine. This machine unrolls the sheets simultaneously, pulling them into an edge seam welding section. The layers are welded at the edges to create a continuous mask material. The outermost layer is made of spun-bound polypropylene, forming the external non-woven fabric sheet of the mask. The second layer is made of melt-blown polypropylene, acting as the filtration layer of the mask. The third layer, another spun-bound polypropylene sheet, forms the inner skin contact layer of the mask. This welded material then enters a folding section which shapes the mask to fit a user's face. To set the folds, the mask material passes through a hot press. Next, the mask material is fed into a cutting and welding section which trims the material into the width of masks. These mask bodies are then separated into multiple lines, each having its own ear loop welding section, which attaches the ear loop cut from a polyamide elastic band. The result? Ready-to-use surgical masks. These masks are then sent to a packaging machine which packs them into suitable plastic packaging. Finally, these masks are packed in cartons, ready for sale.
Picture this. In 2017, the surgical mask market in India was valued at approximately Rs 4060 million. Now fast forward to 2025, and projections indicate that this market will skyrocket to a staggering Rs 650 million. That's a compound annual growth rate of 6.1% from 2018 to 2025, a growth rate that cannot be ignored. These surgical masks, made from natural fibers like cotton or disposable linen, or even synthetic materials such as polypropylene, have become a staple in our lives. But what is driving this exponential growth in India's surgical mask market? It's a combination of several factors. An increasing elderly population, the general population's adoption of surgical masks, and a surge in contagious and chronic diseases such as tuberculosis, asthma, and even the recent coronavirus. Add to this the rise in the number of medical device manufacturing companies, and we have a perfect environment for the growth of the surgical masks industry. Now, where are these masks being distributed the most? Online stores have emerged as the fastest growing distributors, followed by hospitals and drugstores. The convenience of bulk orders and the ease of doorstep delivery have made e-commerce a significant driver for surgical mask sales. With this market overview, we move on to a SWOT analysis of the surgical mask market in India. Strengths include a massive market, a strong financial position, high-quality masks, a growing private hospital sector, and the use of modern technology. But like any other market, there are weaknesses as well. These include potential pricing pressure due to expansion in healthcare masks capacity, untapped rural markets, less advertisement effort, and an inability to pass on the full impact of any cost increase. However, the opportunities are abundant. The demand for surgical masks to stay healthy, growing demand from Europe, customized medical masks, government initiatives and policies, and e-commerce are all significant growth drivers. Despite these opportunities, the market faces threats like high competition and profit volatility. In conclusion, the surgical mask market in India is on an upward trajectory, propelled by various socio-economic factors and opportunities. However, it's also important to navigate the threats and weaknesses to ensure sustainable growth. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more insightful business ideas.